Hi, greetings of the day. My name is Aswin. I'm from Coimbatore. I have completed my bachelor's degree in computer science in the year of 2020, and after that, I didn't get any opportunities to work in IT sector or any IT field. But one of my friends just suggested me to join in Evision Technoserve. It is a IT consulting company and giving placement supports with hands-on experiences, and that's how I took the IT internship program for 45 days. There I have learned CompTIA Network Plus, virtualization, Windows administration, Windows Server, CCNA, network security, and ITL. These are all the courses I have learned with the hands-on experiences. After all got done in 45 days, I'm getting the calls from all the companies which I have applied for the job, and now I got placed in DBI360 in Bangalore with the package of 3.8 LPA, and these are all only because of the Evision Technoserve. Here the staffs are very helpful and they are giving best way to clear the doubts in every end of the session, and in even at times getting more. So, and thank you Evision for giving this opportunity to placed and helped me to get placed till the end. Thanks Evision.